Welcome to week 3 of ITCE Career Essentials 3200. So this video is going to address the first part of the slides that I've posted this week, the nonverbal communication skills part. So remember, we're looking at an elevator pitch for part of your personal branding assignment that I introduced last week. And in the elevator pitch, you're going to have to provide the content, the information, using the organization that we talked about last week in the activity and the Cupcake Ladies video. And this week I'm talking about the verbal and nonverbal communication skills. So when you record your elevator pitch, I want to see evidence of your voice and your nonverbal communication skills. So nonverbal communication, and we're going to start with that. What I want you to do is take a look at, click on this link, and you'll go to this site, and I've made this little hotspots activity for you, so please do that. Please do it. You click on this and some text displays, and then if you click on it again, you'll learn about what kind of nonverbal communication this is. Okay. And then what I'm going to have you do is, if you want to learn more about each of those types of nonverbal communication featured in that hotspot activity, then read this chapter right here. I wanted to gently remind you that nonverbal communication is cultural, and it's also contextual, and you have to be careful about what you think a nonverbal communication means, because it could be confusing for someone else. And I have this slide here. Sometimes if we were in a face-to-face class, you might see me at the front of the room squinting and glaring at you, but really I'm not. It's just because I'm in glasses denial about wearing my glasses. So it's not always what you think when you see nonverbal communication. Okay, and here's some more content slides with, you can go to the links here and read more if you want the full in-depth information. Okay. I encourage you to click the link and watch this little 2-minute video. This is a gentleman who's a world champion public speaker, and this is a Toastmasters little excerpt. It's only 2 minutes long, but he gives you some hints about nonverbal communication and how to be effective. Once you've read the content and watched the videos, then I invite you to be brave and record yourself delivering your elevator pitch, and then watch it with the sound off and evaluate your own nonverbal communication so that you can maybe improve it. Okay, and my last kind of summary slide about nonverbal communication is, don't forget, people tend to believe nonverbal messages more than the verbal ones. Okay, and that concludes video 1 for week 3.